It's no secret that at Ace Windows we work hard to satisfy everyone, so when one of our clients writes to tell us we did a great job, we love to show our appreciation by sharing their review.
What a fantastic service by Ace Windows in the purchase and fitting of our new composite door. Very easy procedure from initial inquiry through to ordering and booking the installation slot. The tradesmen who arrived to remove our old door and fit the new one were polite, professional and tidy. We would recommend Ace Windows for new windows and doors.
Let us at Ace Windows assist you with our exceptional service today. We are committed to providing a 5-star experience, ensuring your complete satisfaction from start to finish. Serving the Northeast, your comfort and happiness are our top priorities. We'd love the opportunity to deliver an outstanding service like this one. Experience the best with Ace Windows. Contact us today by calling 0191 482 2187 or visit us online to explore our wide range of services and solutions. Our friendly and professional team is ready to assist you with any inquiries or to schedule an appointment at your convenience. Thanks for watching. We look forward to serving you soon and providing the exceptional service that Ace Windows is known for. We'll see you soon.